failed deliveries and returned packages are a headache for Shopify merchants. Your customers often mistype their shipping address, like the missing apartment numbers or invalid house numbers or incorrect abbreviations, and this leads to costly failed deliveries and upset customers. Address Validator Plus will easily validate addresses and fix potential shipping issues before customers leave your store to make sure that you can complete their shipment. This reduces your revenue loss from refunds and reshipping and decreases the number of customer service requests. Some features of the Address Validator app include the ability to automatically prompt your customers to fix invalid shipping addresses before shipping, preventing undeliverable addresses such as PO boxes, incorrect zip codes, military addresses, and many other variants. You can easily customize the prompts and messaging to match your Shopify store design and branding. It works with express checkouts like Apple Pay and Google Pay and PayPal Express. And it's very easy to set up, no coding necessary, and the app works seamlessly on mobile and desktop checkouts. Click the link in the comments to try the Address Validator Plus Shopify app today.